You have probably heard of artificial intelligence, such as OpenAI's ChatGPT and Codex. There has been a long-running debate about whether AI-enabled robots will ultimately replace humans. As a result of Industry 5.0, AI and robots are disrupting the way we work and interact with our customers, and it is anticipated that AI-enabled robots will be able to automate many tasks that are currently performed by humans. Learn more about these exciting technologies and take advantage of this revolution to automate tedious tasks and increase your profit margins by watching this educational video. Industry 5.0 and the rise of robots. Industry 5.0, the fifth industrial revolution, is poised to revolutionize how we use and think about technology. This new phase of industrial development is expected to bring together robots and AI in ways that have never been seen before. As a result, businesses and industries will be faced with new opportunities and challenges. Based on a McKinsey & Company analysis, labor costs have increased and robot prices have decreased in the robotics market. Both of these factors are directly associated with demand for robots. Employers are seeking cheaper, more efficient labor, especially in highly specialized fields with intense competition for the best candidates. On the other hand, consumers are finding consumer robots more attractive as the price of robots continues to decrease. AI and robots. Robots are programmable machines that are capable of performing routine tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. Technology breakthroughs have played a significant role in the rise of robots, including the rapid development of AI, robotics, cloud computing, and big data. AI refers to the development of computer models that can automate tasks that would otherwise require the assistance of a human. Complex tasks are performed in a similar manner to how humans solve problems. Large amounts of data are combined with fast, iterative processing and intelligent algorithms to allow the software to learn automatically from patterns and features in the data. In AI-powered robots, AI programs are used to control robots. AI robots are able to grasp objects, perform computer vision functions, control their motion, and understand and work on unseen data and situations. As a result, robots can perform routine tasks as well as more complex tasks that require higher levels of intelligence. The deployment of AI in the robotics industry is one of the most notable aspects of Industry 5.0. In the future, AI-enabled robots will be able to interact with the environment, make decisions, and perform tasks autonomously. Companies will be able to optimize their workflow and reduce costs by using these robots for longer periods of time with less errors. The potential applications of this technology could range from automating dangerous tasks to providing accuracy and speed in the production process. As an example of an AI-powered robot, Sophia immediately comes to mind, a social humanoid AI-powered robot that was created by Hong Kong-based Hanson Robotics. To perform human-like tasks, a humanoid robot must be able to comprehend human speech perfectly, making natural language processing more important than ever before. Natural language processing is a branch of AI that enables computers to understand text and spoken language as humans do. NLP algorithms first index and segment input data. Then they identify sentiment, intent, and entities using an NLP model. Finally, the output is displayed to the user. NLP combines computational linguistics, which models human language using rules, with statistical, machine learning, and deep learning models. Machine learning is a subset of AI that relies on the idea that systems can detect patterns and make decisions without the intervention of humans. Analytical models are built automatically through data analysis. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning and consists of a neural network with several hidden layers to carry out complex operations on a large volume of structured and unstructured data. A neural network is designed to teach computers to process information in a manner similar to the way the human brain processes information. There are 3 layers in a neural network: the input layer, the hidden layer, and the output layer. While neural networks do not match the capabilities of the human brain, they attempt to simulate its behavior that allows it to learn from large amounts of data. In combination, these technologies enable computers to process human language as text or voice data, as well as comprehend the speaker's or writer's intention and sentiment. Moreover, it is expected that AI-powered robots will soon be able to understand and react to human emotions. According to a Duke University futurist, In recent years, AI has enabled breakthroughs in decoding brain activity in ways that were previously impossible. Since thoughts and feelings are all just data, they can be decoded using AI when grouped together in large patterns. Wearable devices, such as hats, headbands, smartwatches, or earbuds, can pick up electroencephalogram, or EEG signals, and use AI-powered devices to analyze everything, from emotional states to concentration levels to simple shapes to preconscious responses to numbers. Robots are also envisioned to be able to program themselves semi- or fully autonomously in the future, for example, using software such as OpenAI's Codex or ChatGPT. Embedded AI. There are generally three components that make up a robot. The first component is the robot's physical structure, which is designed in such a way that it can interact with its surroundings appropriately. The second component is sensors, which are used to collect environmental data. The third component is an embedded system, which is used to communicate information between sensors and mechanical devices, allowing the robot to operate effectively. An embedded system is a computer that is designed to perform a specific task. Embedded systems typically consist of either microprocessors or microcontrollers. A robot can either be controlled by a microprocessor or a microcontroller. Microprocessors are commonly found in complex systems, while microcontrollers are used in simpler ones. Memory is often a limiting factor in embedded hardware when it comes to AI calculations. However, there is ongoing research in data science for reducing model sizes. Technology vendors are also responding by developing tools and incorporating features tailored to the needs of modern machine learning. AI software may be embedded into the robot's hardware using embedded AI, which refers to the incorporation of machine learning and deep learning into software at the device level. AI computations, such as those used to produce search engine results, are traditionally carried out in a cloud-based data center. The use of graphics processing units, session border controllers, and systems on chips for AI data processing has reduced the dependency on the cloud. Embedded AI allows devices to run AI models at the device level and use the results to perform appropriate actions or tasks. From a data storage perspective, the cloud still remains valuable since data can be temporarily stored on the device and later transferred to a cloud server. Depending on the data that is collected and analyzed, the software can provide reactive, proactive, or predictive intelligence. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Chatbots and virtual assistants are also expected to play a significant role in Industry 5.0. A chatbot is a semi-automated system that can handle simple problems more quickly and efficiently than a human would. Such chatbots are task-oriented and structured. They are designed to perform only specific functions that were previously handled by humans, such as customer support and interactive FAQs, that do not require any variables or decisions. In response to user inquiries, they respond in a conversational manner using automatic speech recognition, and possibly machine learning technologies. Simple chatbots typically used for online customer service may use NLP, but their use is not sophisticated or insightful, as they are not capable of deep learning. AI-enabled smart chatbots can automate many of your business processes, making it easier for your customers to find information and ask questions. In addition to overcoming the language barrier, smart chatbots can provide accurate information in a variety of languages to customers worldwide. One of the most well-known smart chatbots is ChatGPT. Launched in November 2022, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT, a chatbot for answering complex questions in a conversational manner. Due to its ability to learn what humans mean when they ask questions, it is regarded as a revolutionary technology. ChatGPT is developed as a large language model chatbot based on GPT-3. Large language models are deep learning algorithms that can detect, summarize, translate, predict, and generate text and other content based on large datasets. A large language model is used to predict the subsequent word in a series of words. ChatGPT can engage in conversational dialogues and provide responses that appear to be human in nature. GPT-3 is a neural network machine learning model that can be trained using internet data to generate any type of text. It can also generate code, test scripts, as well as identify and fix bugs. In order to create answers to prompts and questions, the system uses a deep learning technique called a transformer architecture, which follows an encoder-decoder structure. An additional layer of training known as reinforcement learning with human feedback helps ChatGPT to learn how to follow directions and generate responses that humans find satisfactory. After the data preparation step, reinforcement learning with human feedback is used. This has three main steps. In the first step, supervised fine-tuning is performed to create the baseline model. A pre-trained language model is fine-tuned using a relatively small amount of demo data. The model is used for learning a supervised policy that produces outputs based on a selected set of prompts. In the second step, data labelers vote on a significant number of the baseline model outputs, creating a new dataset comprised of comparison data. This dataset is used to train a new model referred to as the reward model. In the third step, the reward model is used in order to further refine and improve the baseline model. As a result of this step, a policy model is developed. The second and third steps may be repeated iteratively using a feedback mechanism to improve the output, which can be rated by a human. Stanford University reports that GPT-3 has 175 billion parameters and was trained on 570 gigabytes of text, including data about code and information from the internet from sources like Reddit discussions. By comparison, GPT-2 had less than 100 times fewer parameters than its predecessor. Due to the increased scale of the model, GPT-3 is able to perform tasks that it was not explicitly trained on, such as translating sentences. It is anticipated that newer GPT versions will be multimodal, which means they will have the ability to function in multiple modes, such as text, sound, image, and video. Despite its impressive skills, it is still prone to making mistakes and cannot reason as well as a human. Although it can recognize and mimic what it has seen in the past, it is unable to think for itself. Data-driven and predictive chatbots are also known as virtual assistants or virtual agents. They are computer programs that work similarly to human assistants. They can answer specific questions, accomplish specific tasks, and even offer advice. Virtual assistants use advanced AI, robotic process automation, natural language processing, and machine learning technologies to extract information and complex data from conversations and interpret them accordingly. Virtual agents and chatbots are both capable of driving sales while satisfying the needs of customers by handling their most common inquiries. However, there are several reasons why chatbots may be preferable to virtual assistants. Chatbots are much more cost-effective than virtual assistants. The goal of chatbots is to understand natural language in the same way that humans do. Rather than visiting a website or downloading an application, customers can chat directly with a brand or business through messaging apps. Other applications. Industry 5.0 has a wide range of other applications that can potentially disrupt and transform industries including healthcare, agriculture, manufacturing, and automotive. Robotic process automation is a software technology that facilitates the development, deployment, and management of software robots that mimic human actions when interacting with digital systems and software. Like humans, software robots are capable of understanding what is displayed on a screen, performing the right keystrokes, navigating systems, identifying and extracting data, and performing a wide range of other functions. However, software robots can complete the task more quickly and efficiently than people. AI-driven robotics is already an integral component of the healthcare system, including function testing, surgery, research, and data integration. AI robotics is widely used in healthcare to track patients' health status, establish a continuous supply chain for medications, and design custom health tasks for patients. With the help of AI robotics, the healthcare sector is able to provide patients with assistance robots, precise diagnosis, and remote treatment. A robot's proactive analysis helps detecting small and complex patterns within a patient's health graph. Remote operation is one of the major benefits of AI robotics for the healthcare industry, since medical care in remote areas has long been a major problem. Several clinical tasks can be performed by robots alone. AI robotics provides an opportunity for agriculture industry to improve the farm productivity. Using robotics, farmers can automate activities such as irrigation, seed distribution, pest control, harvesting, and more. As a result, farmers are able to achieve higher yields and lower operating costs, minimizing wastage and maximizing the effectiveness of land use. Green economy automation can enhance quality and protect the environment. As warehouses become larger, large companies turn to robotics to reduce operating costs and operational time. These large warehouses are equipped with high-tech sensors that enable automated devices to operate independently. Sensors, such as visual, auditory, thermal, and haptic sensors, allow robots to better perceive the environment. Adopting robotics has many benefits, including minimal errors, adaptability, and safety. Robotics offers employers and workers significant advantages, as it reduces costs, increases productivity, and provides safety, as it prevents them from performing dangerous tasks such as lifting heavy objects. Robotics is used in a wide range of applications in the automotive industry, including design, supply chain management, and production. Automobile industries are implementing technologies such as driver assistance, autonomous driving, and driver risk assistance. The use of robotics in the automotive industry may include the installation of door panels, the assembly of machine devices such as motors, and many others. Painting and coating can be performed using robotic arms. Additionally, robots are capable of loading and unloading parts, in addition to assembling them. Conclusion: as AI-enabled robots become more advanced, they will be able to perform more tasks traditionally performed by humans. Despite this, there are still many who believe that AI-enabled robots will never replace humans, as there are certain tasks that require human touch, creativity, and judgment that may never be replicated by robots. Businesses can benefit from these new technologies from manufacturing to healthcare, and gain a competitive advantage. The industry's future is here and promises to be very exciting. Keep up with the latest breakthroughs in information and communications technology, subscribe today and stay ahead of the curve.